Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make RC landing gear. First, gather your materials, including piano wire, aluminum, and small wheels. The wire gauge is crucial. For example, a 1/8 inch diameter wire works well for a 5-pound aircraft. Always consider your aircraft's weight and the typical landing surfaces you will use. This ensures your landing gear is both durable and effective for many flights. Next, let's talk about design and bending. Start by sketching your landing gear, deciding on a tricycle or conventional setup. For a tricycle gear, you'll need a nose wheel and 2 main wheels. Use a sturdy wire bender or strong pliers to carefully shape the piano wire according to your sketch. Aim for symmetrical bends on both sides of the main gear to ensure your aircraft tracks straight during taxiing and takeoff. Now, let's move on to attaching the wheels and axles. You can create axles by bending the ends of your piano wire or by soldering separate small diameter rods. For a 5-pound aircraft, wheels with a diameter of 2 to 3 inches are often suitable. Make sure the wheels are securely fastened but can spin freely. This smooth rotation is vital for gentle landings and efficient ground movement. Finally, it's time for mounting and making those crucial final adjustments. Attach your newly crafted landing gear firmly to the fuselage or wing structure of your RC aircraft. For a secure connection, consider using strong epoxy or small bolts, especially for heavier models. After mounting, perform some gentle ground tests. Check the alignment, ensure the gear can withstand typical landing forces, and make any necessary tweaks for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.